Welcome to day 3 of Salcombe. We are up again early in the morning at 9:14 this morning. Where are we off to?
Blackpool Sands!
Say hello, Oscar.
Hello.
Daddy?
Hello, juniors.
Hello.
Who's that, Oscar?
My name's Mr. Ted.
So we are off to Blackpool Sands. It's a bit of a longer drive this morning. We're going to be getting there at 9:49. It's about half an hour drive from Burton Barn House in Glampton. The roads are okay this morning. We've got the paddle boards up on the roof there.
And these are making a funny noise, aren't they?
They're making a funny noise. So yeah, we're going to have a great day today at Blackpool Sands, which is a new beach for us again today. Yesterday's beach was great, clear water that we had. Fantastic. Right, let's go on to Blackpool Sands. Blackpool Sands, there we go. Oscar, tell the viewers what you got.
I got a new kite.
Where from?
From the shop.
From the shop, and look at it. It's flying so well, isn't it, Oski?
Tell the game Joshua's playing.
He's trying to get tail, but when we try to get it high, you can't really jump
No,
that high.
I
No,
can't,
it can't, 'cause it goes up. Look, when it's this high,
Joshua will never will get that.
And what's Daddy doing now?
Daddy is getting my kite ready. I love this kite because I can do loads of stunts with it. No, this beach is really nice actually. It's not sand, so we probably won't be digging holes today.
Shingle.
Shingle. It's basically rock.
Pebbles.
So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're just
Paddleboard. Show them all the paddleboards out there.
We've got paddle boards at the ready. Yesterday, and we're planning to go to the same beach tomorrow as well actually. And that was a really nice beach actually. We've got 3 paddle boards with us today rather than 2, so we can all go out together on our paddle boards. We are about to head onto our paddle boards. There we go. I'm probably going to go on that one just there, or I'll probably go on my own actually. We're going to go onto the paddle boards, but I forgot my floaty things today, so I won't be able to film on the paddle boards. This sea is lovely today. Good, Daddy. Daddy, say hello.
Hello.
You've already been out, haven't you?
I have, yeah.
What do you think?
I went and explore. It was good. It was good.
What was the best bit about it?
It's nice and flat, and I went to see some different beaches. But it really works because the orientation of this beach is perfect for the wind.
What's so funny?
Because orientation is Daddy's favourite new word this holiday, because it's all about knowing about where the beach's orientation is and the wind direction to ensure perfect weather conditions for supping. That's why Daddy knows all about that this holiday.
In his only thingy.
Right, let's go.
Let's go! So we have just been out paddleboarding. It was very calm out there and the water was perfect. We are now eating our lunch. I've got a chicken and cheese wrap and a baby bell and some crisps, and the chips have got a 2-hour wait, so we'll be getting some chips later. Oscar? Oscar? Oscar?
Oscar, show the camera what you found.
Pleasure. It's a Ghostbusters Ecto 2.
It's a Ghostbusters car, and you found it whilst you were digging in the sand, didn't you?
And I just found it.
Excellent.
And there's a professional.
There's the professional Ghostbusters.
And that's the Ghostbusters water to spray the Ghostbusters away.
Oh, wow.
Bye. We are just flying the kite as you saw just there. It is really nice at this beach today. The sand isn't normal sand, so we're not making tunnels today, which Oscar really wanted to do today. You wanted to make holes today, didn't you?
Yeah, but we couldn't because this pebble sand, it's just keep going and going.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, so this sand doesn't keep like deep in.
No.
But it still keeps going and going like that.
Oh, see it.
Oh yes, we went back to the lodge. Me and my dad went back to the lodge to get the floaty devices so we can go back out if we want to. Oh.
Oh, it's getting Joshua tangled up.
So we are paddleboarding today on my paddleboard. We've got another mission to plan. My one last year broke, unfortunately, so got a new paddleboard this year, ready to go out into the sea. I have not been out on the sea by myself at all, ever, I think. I've been on the sea crowds by myself, but never on the sea. It's a bit more tiring on the sea, I would say, because the wind, whereabouts the wind is facing. My brother and mum are in front of us, so I got a new board, I have to get the reception man, so that was a pain, but we are okay. We're ready to roll. We have seen one jellyfish actually. That one jellyfish was yesterday at East Portsmouth, in the harbour. We were paddleboarding in the harbour and we saw one jellyfish. We are slowly catching up with my mother and my brother.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
We have just been to the beach actually. Oh, seagulls coming over. It's a lovely beach actually. Blackpool Sands, but I don't know why it's called Blackpool Sands. I don't know why it's called Blackpool Sands because it hasn't got sand and it also it's not sand, it's basically pebble.
Shingle.
Shingle. It hasn't got sand, nor has it got, it's not in Blackpool. So technically it should be called Dartmouth Sands.
So just to confirm, I found out, I was looking whilst I was editing, that it is called Blackpool Sands because I forgot what it
is, because Blackpool Sands is a stony, or as Mummy says, shingle beach in Dartmouth, Devon, England, named after the nearby village of Blackpool. Okay, that's that. So clearly there's a nearby village near Dartmouth called Blackpool. So that is why it is called Blackpool Sands. Back to the normal Joshua now.
Or Pebbles. We saw a heli come over. So low over. This is so nice. I have not seen one jellyfish yet. My mum and dad did see the one that we talked about earlier, but I haven't seen any. Right, so my mum is about to.
Stop, Luke.
My mum is about to go in for the first time. For the first time ever.
All the way through the middle.
Which way are you going, left or right, Mummy?
There you go.
Can you go left so I can get you? No, left, Mummy. You said you were going for a swim.
I'm just checking there's no jellyfish.
No jelly.
What's that behind you?
I don't see any jelly.
Don't. If there is a jellyfish, please just don't.
Don't what? Don't what?
Apart from that one. No, there's not. You know you look like a seal.
No, that's not the deal. No, that wasn't a swim.
I want a controlled getting in.
Okay, that's not a back. Going to the right. Going to the right, Mummy. No, you're going into the left. So I want to get you. Mummy.
I'm in.
Behind you.
Oh, the water's a bit chilly.
You're not in properly. Oh my god.
I'm in.
Literally.
Oh, it's going.
Mummy, what's that? Mummy, behind you, Mummy, behind you. Mummy, behind you. Daddy, it's there.
You shouldn't do that to me.
Seriously, there's one. What is happening? What is happening? Okay, well you have to get back on now. She doesn't know how to.
Of course I do.
I wanted to dip. No.
Today, we are now watching what is an absolute phenomenon in the sea. That is the rare blonde sea lion swimming in the deep blue waters of Blackpool Sands.
That has no sense.
She's taking her Apple Watch off. You do know your Apple Watch is waterproof, don't you? Oh, that's good.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. sight doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know, like when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. Ooh, ooh, it sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you.
Hello everyone, I am now in my bedroom. It's quite a basic bedroom actually. I'm all ready for bed.
After a very busy day, you're very tired, aren't you?
At Blackpool Sands.
Lots of paddling.
Lots of paddling. It was great today. I hope all that footage has come out. I will see you next week for a brand new video on Devon. Make sure to like, subscribe. XOXO. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Night.